How to fix Cash App can't link card at this time error. In this video, I will show you how to fix Cash App can't link card at this time error. The first step is to launch the Cash App mobile. This will take you to the homepage of the app as you can see here. From there, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your account where you will see options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app as you can see here. After that, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the screen. Once you are here, tap on this option here named Support. Kindly wait for the page to finish loading. This is the support page of Cash App. On this page, there are options that you can use to find solutions for issues you face with different features of the app. From them, scroll down. After that, tap this one named Adding Money. After doing that, you will land on this other page where you will find all these different related sections. From them, tap on this one here named Add External Bank Account. Finally, you will land on this page where there is information that provides you with a step-by-step guide on how you can add a card to your Cash App account. You can read this well to understand how it's done, but I'm assuming you have already tried this and it did not work. So instead, do this. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. After that, you will see an option named Contact Us. Under the option, there is another one named Chat. Tap on it. After that, you will land on this chat box where you can type a short message explaining to them the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly just like I'm doing here. You can also copy what I have typed here. Finally, send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. Thanks. That is how to fix Cash App can't link card at this time error.